Hi, my name is Jeff and I'm with a company called Odor No More. We provide products to the equestrian world, two of which are the bedding additive product to be used in horses' stalls in the urine spot area only, in conjunction with bedding for your horses. This product can be used on both the mats as well as on the ground. The key point is that this product is to be used only in the urine spot area only. It is a bag that supplies 30 days worth of product for one horse, one stall. So every day when you go into your stall, you remove your wet bedding out of the way, you clear out that spot, and then you put down a light casting, a handful or two over that urine spot area, and then put bedding back over top of it. And when the horse urinates, what typically happens is the urine flows through the bedding down to the mat or the ground and typically spreads itself out over the area and reabsorbs back up into the bedding. Now when that occurs, the horse is then standing on wet bedding. So you typically the next day or in the latter part of the day would go out and remove all that wet bedding. But with this bedding additive product, we're going to actually make life simpler for you. So by you removing the wet bedding initially the first day and opening that urine spot area up and putting down a handful or two, lightly casting, and I mean lightly casting this product over that urine spot area, and then put the bedding back on, when that horse urinates, the bedding additive is a ground barrier, so it eliminates moisture going back up into the shavings. So the horse is standing on dry bedding, and you will see that shortly. The second product that would help with your facility is the facilities and equipment wash. And that particular product is made up of 2 micronutrients, which is also in this bedding additive product. By putting 2 micronutrients, 2 capsule pills in 1 gallon of water and making a solution, you have now made 1 gallon of free iodine solution. And that is very good because what it will do is eliminate all the odor smells that you incur in your barn. So the way you use this product is to make several gallons or a couple gallons, whatever you need for your space, and then you would spray it all over your stall walls, fecal matter, slime, the algae, put it into the water, automatic waters, put it into your troughs, put it into your water buckets. If you want to clean your feed buckets, put it in there, clean it out, and then dump it. And that will eliminate all the bacterial issues that you face with the products in those kind of containers. In the case of the horse's equipment, if you have a smelly horse blanket, you can spray your horse blanket and eliminate the smell as well. If you have a saddle pad, do the same thing with that. If you've got smelly boots that you wear, do that as well. The key is that anything that smells or anywhere that you have flies or spiders, spray that all over that area and you will eliminate that issue that you face currently right now. And it's also very good for horse trailers as well. Our bedding additive product is made up of pine shavings, 2 micronutrients, and an absorbent. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that in this bottle, which is 100 parts per million of ammonia water. What you see occurring is the super absorbent, the heaviest of the 4 components, is falling to the bottom. And what will occur then is the absorbent will absorb all that moisture so that you have nothing but wet shavings down at the bottom. The most important thing to see is that you have the dry shavings on the top of the bottle. And that's where the horse stands. So by putting this bedding additive over the urine spot area only, lightly casting 2 handfuls and then putting your bedding over top, the horse no longer is going to stand in the wet shavings that you see on the bottom.